Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Google Ads campaign with AdWords, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a Google Ads campaign using AdWords, first, sign in to your Google Ads account. If you don't have one, visit the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now to create a new account. Once logged in, click on the plus button to create a new campaign. You will be prompted to choose a campaign goal. Select the goal that aligns best with your advertising needs, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Next, choose a campaign type, such as search, display, or shopping. For this guide, let's select search. After selecting the campaign type, click on Continue. You can also uncheck the box for Display Network if you want to focus solely on search ads. Set your campaign budget, deciding between a daily budget or a campaign total. Next, choose your bidding strategy, which could be based on conversions, clicks, or impressions. Select your target audience by specifying locations you want to target. You can also choose languages that your ads will be shown in. Now, move on to the next section to create ad groups. Within each ad group, define a particular theme or focus for your ads. Enter the keywords relevant to that theme that you want your ads to appear for. Use Google's Keyword Planner for assistance in finding the right keywords. Now, you'll create your ads themselves. Click on Create an Ad and choose the ad format, such as text or responsive. When drafting your ad, include a compelling headline and a clear call to action. Ensure your ad copy aligns with the keywords in your ad group. Enter the final URL where users will be directed when they click on your ad. Continue filling out the necessary information, including a display path if desired. Once you've created your ads, click Save and Continue. Next, review all your campaign settings to ensure accuracy. You can make adjustments to the budget, targeting, and ad copy as needed. Finally, click on Publish to launch your campaign. Congratulations, your Google Ads campaign is now live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.